Guys, do you know you could be losing a lot of revenue even without knowing it? I recently discovered a simple change that skyrocketed my last earnings. And of course, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do this. So if you are a YouTube creator looking for a way to increase and maximize your revenue, then this video is for you. Because also, I'm going to be explaining to you all why this works and how much it has boosted my revenue so far and how you can do it too. So without much being said, let's get started. You know, many YouTubers, especially me, focuses on pre-roll ads, which are those ads that appears before a video play, and also post-roll ads, which are the ones that appear at the end of your video before another one play, assuming they are making a lot of revenue. But however, they don't know that mid-roll ads, mid-roll ads appears in the middle. They don't know that those ads helps you to actually make much more money. Like all this while I was thinking that, oh, I am really making money on YouTube despite having longer videos that are up to 22 minutes on my channel. The only ads I see on my videos are the pre-roll ad and also the post-roll ad. I never knew that there was something that I could actually do for me to be able to make much more money. So something happened about last week. I came across a YouTuber video here, which is this lady here, Glory C. She was talking about this particular thing, and I was like, why am I not seeing it on my YouTube studio? Then all of a sudden I went ahead to my YouTube studio desktop version and I saw this particular thing, move ad slot. Immediately I saw it, I decided to click on it to know what this particular thing is all about, and I saw this particular message which says, for better chances of showing ads, move mid-roll ad slot for this video at your youtubestudio.com. Then I decided to go ahead to my YouTube studio and I discovered that, baby girl, you've been missing out a whole lot. Now before I turned this particular thing on, I used to have various videos on my channel, videos that are up to 20 minutes, 21 minutes, 18 minutes, 19 minutes, but most times only one single ads. In fact, somebody has commented on my video before that, Princess, why don't you have a lot of ads on your video? And all this while I never knew that I could actually place ads, because I just upload my video here straightly from the YouTube app. Up until day before yesterday, I decided to put this mid-roll ad into action, and guys, you won't believe how much I earned per 1,000 view from this video you are seeing here. Don't worry, I'm going to be taking you straight to my YouTube studio desktop version to show you how I actually do this and how you can actually do yours. But before then, let me go ahead to show you how much YouTube has actually paid me per 1,000 view for this particular video, and I will also be showing you another video of mine that is also as long as this but couldn't even make up to $4 per 1,000 view. Alright guys, so this is my YouTube studio desktop version and this is the video I dropped one day ago. Then let's go ahead and click on this particular video. Now let's go on to the revenue of this video for you guys to know how much YouTube is actually paying me for 1,000 view for this video, because this particular video I turned on that mid-roll ad, not just one, not just two. Don't worry, I'm still going to be showing you all how to actually turn it on the right way. So let's head on to the revenue aspect, and this video has generated $5 for just only 714 view. Like imagine having a 714 view on your channel and you're being paid $5. Like this is mind-blowing. Now this is revenue for every 1k view. Have you seen it? $7.11. Like even my most viral video, my most viral video has never gotten up to this amount before. Like when I saw it this morning, I said no, I need to come up here to share this good news with my people, because I believe a lot of us out there don't even know this magic. So this is how much advertisers are paying, $12.36. Now let me take you guys back to another video of mine that is as this long, that still have high view duration, more than this particular video, so that we can compare how much YouTube also pay for that video. Now let's head over to this video here. This video is also 20 minutes 3 seconds. So let's click on this video. This video actually performed too bad. It has only 2,000 views, and you can see how high the average view duration is. Actually, it was 5 minutes before, 5 minutes 25 seconds, but I think this morning it actually reduced. So now let's click on this video to know the revenue of this video. Let's head over straight to the revenue aspect, and from this revenue aspect you can see that this video has generated me $9.75 for how many views? For just 2,000 views. And this is what advertisers are paying for every 1,000 view I have on this video, $4.68. Now imagine that I had actually turned this mid-roll ad, because people really watched this video. A lot of you all watched this video till the very end, because I saw comments relating to the ending of this video. So now imagine that I fixed all this ad. That means this video I would have earned times 2. Yes, obviously I would have earned double of this amount that I have here. So guys, without saying too much, now let me take you guys to YouTube Studio desktop version, so that we can be able to fix this thing together, so that I can show you how you can actually turn this particular ad slot on, so that you can be able to make much more revenue. So guys, this is the interface of my YouTube Studio desktop version. Now for you to be able to get this ad placed on your video, what you just need to do is to go ahead and click on this content side where your videos are going to be lined up. So now let's go ahead and click on this particular video here, and for you to be able to get to this particular place where you place your ad, what you just need to do is to tap on the title of the video twice, just like you want to re-edit that particular video, and it's going to bring you to this place. Now look at the left hand side, you see this dollar sign. So what you just need to do is to tap on this dollar sign. So once you tap on it, it's going to bring you to this place where you see your ads, and for you to also turn your monetization on. So obviously this monetization needs to be turned on before you can be able to fix any setting here. Now under it, you see this option that says show me draw ads during my video. Then after that, you see this option again that says manage ad slot. So what you need to do is to go ahead and click on that manage ad slot. Now once you click on it, it's going to bring you here. As soon as we are done with this particular thing, I'm still going to be showing you and teaching you another thing which you need to understand, so that you will not make mistake. You know, one thing about this YouTube, making money on this YouTube and also excelling well on this YouTube, if you don't do some certain things the right way, it will be working against you. So make sure you pay attention to what I'll be sharing with you after this particular phase. So now what you need to do is to go ahead and click on this insert ad slot. But before you even click on it, make use of this line. Drag this line to the place where you want it to be. Drag this line to the places where you want it to be. Okay, let me bring it to this particular line where I have this margin. Now once this line is here, what I need to do next is to go ahead and click on insert ad slot, and automatically it has appeared on that particular side. So once I'm done, how many minutes is this video? I think this video is 12 minutes 54 seconds. That is, it's almost 13 minutes video. So I don't need to add much ads, so that it won't bore my viewers. Now once I'm done fixing this particular one, the next thing I need to do is to also drag this particular line. Let me drag it to this point of the video, and also click on insert ad slots. I think 2 mid-roll ads for this video duration is actually okay. So once I'm done, the next thing I need to do is to click on continue. So when you click on continue, it's going to bring you here for you to click on save option. Now go ahead to click on save. That is all. That is all. Now what you just basically need to do is to go back, and your video automatically have mid-roll ads. Honestly, it's as simple and easy as this. Now if you have other videos that don't have all those mid-roll ads, YouTube will not do it for you. What you just need to do now is to take your time and go ahead and start placing it one by one, so that you can be able to make higher revenue. Like, I'm still shocked for this amount that I saw. So what you need to do, that is the best practice to actually do this particular thing, is place ads at natural breaks. You know, in your videos you might actually give a hook before you go ahead to give your introduction, or before you go ahead to give your key main points. So don't make this mistake of using your ads to interrupt a particular thing you were saying. You can actually do it this way. Once you're done discussing this particular point, before you switch on to the number 2, fix ads there. I don't know if you all are getting what I'm saying. Now I have a beautiful example here For example, in a cooking video, you need to place an ad before the final dish review to keep viewers watching, because if you keep putting ads the wrong places, a lot of viewers, they don't like to see that ad. And I'll be honest, viewers like me, if I'm watching a video that is very, very interesting and I keep seeing ads, like, it's just to piss me off. So you have to put the interest of your viewer at mind when placing these ads, so that they will not just get bored and leave the video. Another example that I have here is for a story time vlog. Like maybe you're doing a vlog and you're sharing a story. Now you can decide to place an ad after an exciting part, but before the end of the video, that is, but before the conclusion part of the video, in order to keep that high engagement. Not when you are about to share the sweetest part of that video, you go ahead and jam pack ads. No, 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 so that you won't bore your viewers, or so that they will not just keep that video. So you have to do it the right way. Okay, so the number two thing, or the number two best practice, is avoid placing too many ads. Like as I said earlier on, I believe a lot of us, after watching this video now, will go ahead and jam pack ads. No, 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 no. You have to understand that for a video of like 8 to 12 minutes, 1 or 2 mid-roll ads is okay. Just like as I showed you guys using that my video that is almost 13 minutes, you can see that the minute I place those 2 mid-roll ads, YouTube did not show any sign of like delete it or get rid of it. Yes, if you pack too many ads, YouTube will show you. And also you can see that I placed them at the right place. So if you're having a video of like 8 minutes to 10 minutes or even 12 minutes video, and you are placing 5 ads on it, if I'm your viewer, I will not watch that video, honestly speaking, because you know those ads, they distract the main key points of the video. Like, I don't know if you guys can actually relate. There are some videos that I will click here to watch, I'll keep seeing ads, and you know, a lot of viewers don't have that patience to like calm down and be, except maybe if what you're sharing is really, really all that important. Okay, so we have to make sure we know what we're doing, so that this particular thing can actually favor us, because you might end up packing these ads and you start experiencing low revenue. It is what it is, honestly. So the last thing you need to also consider and check out is for you to watch your own video and test it before you go ahead to place the ads. You know, I wasn't able to do that because of the tutorial. If not for this tutorial, I would have played the video to know the exact place, to know the natural break point, so that I can be able to fix my ads. Yeah, so guys, if you're able to do this, like, you're really, really going to make a lot of money. And I would love to hear it from the comments section if you've actually fixed this particular thing and you notice a spike in your revenue. Feel free to share it in the comment section. Okay, all right guys, I hope this video helped you understand why adding mid-roll ads is actually a game changer. And if you've experienced it before, maybe after placing it you notice a spike in your revenue, or maybe your revenue did not even increase at all, go ahead and share it in the comment section. And secondly, if you find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to my channel, like this particular video if you've not liked it, and don't forget to share this good news, so that a lot of baby creators out there like me, who are never aware of this particular information, can actually get aware and start making use of it. Because one thing I believe on this YouTube street is that, or in life general, is by we rise by lifting others. Yes, that is why I don't hide any information. I don't sugarcoat whatsoever thing that works out for me are basically what I share with you guys on this my YouTube channel. Okay, so guys, subscribe to my channel if you have not done that, and bye bye, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.